Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Samsung. Start by exiting Play Store and tapping on the search bar. From here you need to type DevCheck and download this app from this developer. Then click on Open. From this app, you can find out all the information about your Samsung dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!